Welcome to our second presentation on using Bloomberg Law, a comprehensive legal research resource. You can access Bloomberg Law by going to www.bloomberglaw.com and enter username and password that you've created. Bloomberg's main search engine provides suggestions when entering terms. For instance, when entering PALS, we get a list of suggestions, including a most cited case, PALS Graph v. Long Island. If we enter the entire party name, PALS Graph offers to retrieve results from content type, citation search, and court opinions by case name, among others. The Getting Started section of the homepage includes a number of helpful links to resources like court opinions, federal law, and state law. We can search for keyword like assault and battery. In this instance, choose the all legal content strategy offered by Bloomberg. Here is the list of results from searching all legal content. You can narrow your results by selecting any of the content categories on the list. Alternatively, you can choose the type of material you would like to research from the homepage. For instance, you can choose court opinions. Next, choose the type of court opinion you're researching. In this instance, state court opinions. You can choose the exact state court from which you would like to find opinions. For example, if we choose Pennsylvania, you can select Pennsylvania Supreme Court, Superior Court, or Commonwealth Court, among others. Bloomberg's Legal Search Help feature provides a key on how to manipulate search terms. For instance, you can use quotation marks to specify a phrase or parenthesis for combination searches. In this example, we've chosen Pennsylvania Supreme Court opinions and entered search terms assault/2 battery, which directs Bloomberg to find opinions with the word assault within 2 words of battery. Also, we've checked the box that will include word variations such as assaults or assaulting within the results. Bloomberg provides a list of opinion results in the center of the page, as well as our search criteria located on the left of the screen. Here is an opinion from the results list. Notice the helpful tabs located near the top of the page, providing features like direct history and case analysis. Bloomberg also includes B-site analysis and general information related to the case. Print and download options are also available. In this example, we can choose the Litigation and Dockets tab, then B&A Outlines and Headnotes to access a list of legal topics. Here's the classification outlines and headnotes. We can choose a topic such as Americans with Disabilities. When we choose Americans with Disabilities, Bloomberg provides an outline of classification, allowing the user to choose subtopics, for instance, Division I employment, jurisdiction, and procedure. And we can choose the section on state common law, contract, or tort claims, and choose general. At this point, we can choose opinions generated by our selections. You also have the option to filter results in categories such as jurisdiction, circuit, or state. Some additional filter choices include court, topic, and judge. We can also choose the state law link from the homepage. When choosing state law, Bloomberg provides an interactive map, allowing the user to select the desired state, such as Pennsylvania. If we choose Pennsylvania, we get a list of research material options, for instance, PA Legislative. Next, we can choose Pennsylvania statutes. In the Pennsylvania Consolidated Statutes database, we can search for terms like assault/2 battery or assault within 2 words of battery. Alternatively, we navigate statutes by opening specific subheadings within statutory titles. Choose the Federal Law link from the home page to conduct federal research. You can choose to search collections such as United States Code and enter key terms like Lilly Ledbetter Fair Pay Act of 2009. Here, we see federal statutory results from the United States Code. Notice the highlighted search terms. You can also choose to browse by statutory title, for instance, agriculture, and choose a specific section like Section 1A, Definitions. If we open Section 1A, we see a number of features. The tabs at the top of the page provide access to relevant materials like case analysis and Code of Federal Regulations provisions. Notice the currency heading at the right of the page, as well as a listing of secondary sources at the bottom right. We can search for secondary sources by selecting All Legal Content from the home page. Bloomberg provides a list of content type, for instance, United States secondary sources. We can choose specific types of secondary sources like law reviews and journals. Enter key terms such as grandparents in custody to find law review articles. Notice the Filter Your Results option. You can access an alphabetical listing of journal titles under Law Reviews and Journals to further focus your results. This concludes our presentation on Bloomberg Law.